There's a lot of money today, and I just ask you to follow the steps, okay? Just follow the steps, do them exactly as I do them, and you're gonna make some money, okay? Hit that subscribe, and let's go and do it. First of all, this is the website that is gonna get us paid, okay? This one is called adcreative.ai, and this is the amount of money that I've got with the help of this website. There's a lot of money inside of it, and you can see that this is like ad and social creatives, okay? So this website is helping people to get a rank better on Google and to get their artificial intelligence in order to get higher rankings on Google and to improve the customer base, okay? You can watch this video about what this website does and you will find a lot of useful information. You can even create land pages here, but that's not what we're here for, okay? We're here to make that money. We're gonna make a lot of money with this one, so just stick with me. So you can see that this one has like better conversions. It has trained AI and it is super scalable, okay? It also has some seamless designs, has some platform integrations, and this is all good for our customers that I'm gonna find for you. AdCreative.ai is helping businesses after all. It's helping the startups. You can see e-commerce businesses, agencies, and a lot of these businesses that I'm gonna show you later, okay? So you can see that the pricing here is starter, premium, ultimate, and scale up. But don't worry, you don't have to spend a cent on this strategy, alright? These prices are for people who are gonna buy this, and trust me, each business has at least $60 per month in order to better their sales, okay? So when people start to use this one, well, they're gonna get more customers because AdCreative.ai is gonna help them higher rank, okay? It's gonna help them rank higher on Google, and that's what people need today, okay? Google rankings is all about the money, and what are we gonna do is you can just scroll down all the way down to the bottom and find this affiliate section. We're gonna affiliate for these guys, and we're gonna get a lot of money, guys. You can just get those rewards, okay? There's a lot of money in here. Just take a look at this, guys. If you bring 10 paid signups, you can get $750 each month recurring commission. So each month you can get that money, but of course you don't have to bring like 10 of these. If you bring only 5 of these, that's gonna be of course like $350 for you, okay? And that's gonna happen each month, guys. So you do this only once, and then it's gonna be each month paycheck for you. So what do we have to do in here is that we just have to bring these signups. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you which people need this AdCreative.ai software in order to better their businesses, okay? I'm going to show you where you can find them and how to contact them. And then you will just earn the money by becoming a partner, okay? So first of all, of course, you just have to become a partner. You have to complete this simple information about yourself. You can just sign in with Google, and then you can start getting the money from them. It's gonna be fairly easy. It's gonna work all around the world as well, so you don't have to worry about that. You're just gonna enjoy your profits after this, trust me. So for example, you can just go over to Google and you can just type in, for example, New York coffee shops, okay? But of course, you can just put in, I don't know, New York barber shop, or you can even change the city, okay? You can just put in, I don't know, maybe coffee shops in Berlin, maybe coffee shops in China. What we have to do is we have to search through these coffee shops or any other business that you have chosen, and we have to find people who are in need of AdCreative.ai, okay? That's what we need to find. And you're going to find those people way down there, okay? Because these people that rank higher, those guys, they don't need that because they rank high on Google already, right? No, what we have to do is we have to scroll down, and you will find a lot of these coffee shops which are not ranked high, okay? So they're not ranked high, and that's what we need, all right? So, for example, this Gotham Coffee Roasters, you can just click on it, and of course, you have to contact these people and you can tell them that with AdCreative, they can get more customers drinking their coffee, okay? So how are we going to do that? Just click on the website, okay? Every one of these coffee shops, they have their own website, and you can find the information about contacting them on the website itself. So you can just click on contact, as you can see, and then you can just send them a message, okay? You can send them a message, but some of these are even gonna have like email email address written on side of this website. So for example, I don't know, maybe this Third Rail Coffee, let's go and check this out. You can just click on the website and then it's gonna be here, and you can see here there's an email, there's Facebook, there's Twitter, and there's Instagram profile. So you can just click on email and you can just send them that email telling them that they can better the sales if they use Ad Creative. Now the cool thing about Ad Creative is that they have like this discount, and sometimes they even have like free trials. And because they have free trial, people are gonna go and they're gonna see just how it was. Okay, they're just gonna test that out, and they're gonna see that their Google ranking is gonna skyrocket. Okay, and they will see they've got a lot of more customers because of it. So after all, they're just gonna subscribe to Ad Creative on a monthly basis, and that's what's gonna get you recurring commissions. Okay, and trust me guys, in maybe like 4 or 5 months you can even get to 10 paid signups, but in like half a year or something like that, and 1 year you can just bring 100 paid signups and you can get $7,000 per month. You're gonna get $1,000 bonus if you get 100 signups, and that's gonna be pretty good, guys. Just imagine in 1 year from now you could be getting $7,500 if you just invest your time into this now. The sooner you start, the more money you can get. Trust me, it's a powerful strategy. Hit that subscribe button if you like this strategy. Thank you. So all that you have to do is you have to go and you have to become a partner, and then just go and search for these shops. Okay, you can, of course, I don't know, maybe you can type in dentist, you can type in, I don't know, massage parlor, maybe tattoo, or maybe even something else. Whatever you want to do, guys, you can change the city. Okay, you can do this in a whole America. Okay, you can switch to England and America, and that's gonna be enough because you can talk English with these people. Okay, so you can just go and you can do research. But of course, the most important thing is that you go and you just scroll down. For example, in Las Vegas, just scroll down to the bottom where you can find all of these cafes or businesses that are not ranked high on Google, okay? And they're gonna profit out of that. Trust me, guys. Whenever someone comes to Las Vegas, for example, and they want to drink a coffee, I don't know, they're gonna go and search on Google Maps, for example, and they're gonna go and visit these which are ranked higher, right? That's what you do, that's what I do, and that's why they can get a lot more money if they use it like that, all right? That's the point. Take the action, guys, invest a bit of your time, and you're gonna see that it's gonna be profitable. I'll catch you.